family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a natural hair video. I haven't done a natural hair video in forever, and a lot of you have been asking about these videos, and I've been promising to bring them, but I just haven't brought them. But the reason I'm making this video today is because recently I posted 2 pictures on Instagram, and literally everybody freaked out. A lot of you have been asking me what happened to my hair. How did my hair go from this to this to now this? So I posted this picture on Instagram and I said something about shrinkage is real, but a lot of you guys were like, wait a minute, we know about shrinkage, but sis, how do you literally go from this to this? Is it really shrinkage, or did you cut your hair? So that is what this video is about today. I'm going to be showing you exactly what happened to my hair because, again, I haven't been doing natural hair videos in a while, but I still have been doing things to my hair, but I just haven't been showing you guys. And it's not fair to you guys, so I thought I should do a video stat and show you guys what my routines are still, if I have cut my hair, or is it still the same? Is it just shrinkage? What is it? So today's video is going to be a quick vlog of basically how my hair went from this long to this short. So today's video is going to be a quick natural hair video. I finally found a natural hair salon here in Atlanta that I want to visit. I'm not gonna go all out to do anything fancy with my hair. I don't want to do it myself. It's a lot of work, as you guys know, and I can't be bothered right now. So I'm gonna take the easy way out. I have my old hair. We're not restocked yet, but I've been using this. This is all I use for my hair. I'm taking it with me. I'm also taking my shampoo and conditioner with me, which I just forgot. Yep, I went back and got it. I got my shampoo, and if I can get it out, my conditioner. I'm taking my own shampoo and conditioner because I always do that. I don't know what kind of products people have in their salons, and I've had horror stories, so I'm taking my own stuff. So traffic here is really bad, so I hope and pray to meet my appointment. If I don't, I'll have to come back another day. That means my hair is gonna have to be a mess for a while, and I don't want to do that. So yeah, I hope I'm not stuck in traffic. All right, family, so I did end up missing my appointment, but the great thing is I ended up finding someone in the same area that was willing to wash my hair. However, the lady told me that it was late in the evening, she was ready to close, and she was not about to do all of this fancy stuff with my hair. So I basically asked her if I did it myself, if she would help me wash it, and she said yes. So I had to sit here and detangle my own hair, comb it out, section it, twist it up, and see if she'll help me wash it. So that is basically what I'm doing here. As I was combing my hair, I realized that I was losing a lot of hair. Y'all know that I've been going through a lot of stress here lately, and for me, there are 2 critical things that happens to me when I'm under a great deal of stress. Number 1 is I lose weight. I'm already pretty small, but I tend to lose a lot of weight when I'm stressed. The second thing is I lose my hair. I lose a lot of my hair, and I'm talking clumps and clumps. Like whenever I comb my hair, it comes out like crazy. And that is what has been happening for the last few months. I also haven't been taking care of my hair like I normally do, again, because I'm in transition. There's a lot going on, and unfortunately, my hair has taken a backseat to everything. I'm not doing my treatments like I used to. I'm not paying attention to my hair like I used to. I'm doing my best, but it's not like normal. So I feel like my hair is, being impacted by everything that's happening because I'm losing so much hair. So while I was combing my hair here, I saw that there was a lot of unevenness, there was a lot of breakage, there was a lot of puffy ends. So I decided to cut some. As I combed, as I detangled, I cut and cut. So that is where we are. But wait till the end to see exactly how much I ended up cutting off. guys, so I'm done detangling my hair. I have a section off. Y'all know that I never wash my hair. Like, I do sometimes, but I prefer not to wash my hair open because when I twist it up like this or braid it up, it's easier for me to just wash it and then I can untwist it or unbraid it. Oil my scalp, do my treatments, and then I go into the next style. So that is what I'm doing here. And as you can see here, she's using my products that I brought from home. Okay, so my hair is washed. It looks nice and clean. As you can see, my hair shrinks a lot. If you're an OG of my channel, you've heard me say this a lot. My hair will go from literally backbone or like tailbone length to like ear length in a second. And that is exactly what's happening here. So before I start to do anything to my hair again, I'm going to cut some more off just a little bit, just to see where I am health-wise, and just to make the brushing out and combing out process easier, if that makes any sense at all. So I am going to blow dry my hair a little bit. It's not going to be a deep blow dry. I'm just going to blow dry it because, again, the lady said that it was the end of the day. She's ready to go home, and I didn't want to travel home with wet hair. So I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it, but not on hot air. It's going to be on cool air, and I'm going to twist it back up as I blow dry, detangle, oil my scalp, and twist it back up. Okay, so that is what I'm doing here. All right, family, I'm completely done with my hair. I'm gonna leave it in these twists and go home. All right, family, now that we're here, this is what my hair actually looks like. I did not cut my hair. My hair has been damaged a little bit, if I can be honest. My ends have been not the best looking. Like I said, I haven't really been taking care of my hair like I know I can, so I'm having some negative impact. But the fact is, I didn't cut my hair. I still need to cut my ends, but my hair shrinks a lot. And literally, this is what you're seeing here. This is exactly what my hair looks like. I'm going to do a lot of natural hair videos coming up here soon. And you'll see that I didn't cut my hair. My hair looks still the same. Not exactly the same, but my hair still looks the same. It's still long, it's still thick, and it's still natural. So I'm sorry for the confusion. I'm sorry about the pictures, but literally, I am the queen of shrinkage. My hair shrinks a lot. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please go ahead and smash that like button. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you'll never miss another one of my videos. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Yes, TikTok, because I have started posting there. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one.